Stop painful night cramps after 60 with these 3 kitchen staples. Have you ever been jolted awake by a sudden sharp cramp in your leg that leaves you gasping for air, rubbing your calf and wondering what just happened? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. Many folks over 60 experience these muscle cramps, often at night, and they can feel downright unbearable. Sometimes it's the calf, sometimes the foot, and sometimes it seems to shoot through the entire leg like a bolt of lightning. And even if it only lasts for a minute, it can throw off your sleep, your energy, and even your confidence in moving around the next day. Now, what if I told you that your kitchen might hold the key to fewer cramps, stronger legs, and better mobility? Yes, really. The food you eat has a bigger impact on your muscle health than you might think. And today, we're going to explore 3 of the best foods that can help keep your legs cramp-free and your muscles in top shape. If you've been living with stiffness, nighttime spasms, or that uncomfortable tightness after walking or standing too long, it's time to take a closer look at what's on your plate. The good news, you won't need to overhaul your entire diet. Just a few thoughtful additions can make a world of difference. So make yourself comfortable, maybe grab a cup of tea or a glass of water. Hydration helps with cramps too. And let's dive into the first food that can help support your legs and ease those frustrating muscle cramps. Now, before we dive in, if you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. We're on a mission to bring you science-backed, practical health tips like this every week. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's talk about a classic breakfast favorite, eggs. Now, I know eggs aren't anything fancy or new, but that's the beauty of them. They're simple, versatile, and packed with some pretty impressive nutrients that your muscles absolutely love. One large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, and your muscles need protein, not just for building strength, but also for recovering and relaxing properly after any kind of movement. You see, as we get older, we naturally start to lose muscle mass. This process, known as sarcopenia, can sneak up on us and make our muscles weaker, more fatigued, and yes, more prone to cramping. Eggs can help slow that process down by supplying the essential amino acids your body needs to maintain muscle tissue and function. They don't just help you build strength, they help you keep it. And here's something even more important. Eggs contain vitamin D. You probably heard that vitamin D is important for bones, but did you know it's also critical for how your muscles contract and relax? Without enough vitamin D, your body can't absorb calcium properly, and calcium is key to the way your muscles fire. A deficiency in vitamin D often leads to increased cramping, weakness, and in some cases, chronic muscle pain. The yolk of the egg is where you'll find that precious vitamin D, along with another superstar, vitamin B12. Now, this one's especially important for your nerves. When your B12 levels are too low, your nerve signals start to misfire. That means muscles get confusing messages, which can lead to spasms, twitching, or that strange tingling sensation in your legs and feet. Sound familiar? Unfortunately, B12 deficiency is quite common in older adults. Our stomachs produce less acid as we age, which makes it harder to absorb B12 from food. Plus, many people take medications like metformin or acid reflux drugs that can lower B12 even more. The result? More frequent muscle cramps and even numbness. But here's the great news. Eggs are a gentle, digestible way to get B12 back into your system. For those who don't eat a lot of red meat or have trouble with digestion, eggs are often a better option. They're soft, easy to cook, and you can enjoy them any time of day. Scrambled for breakfast, hard-boiled for a snack, or even poached on toast for dinner. Now you might be wondering, what about cholesterol? Well, that's a fair question. Years ago, we were all told to be cautious about eggs because of their cholesterol content. But more recent research has shown that for most people, especially healthy seniors, eating 1 egg a day, or even up to 6 or 7 per week, is completely safe. In fact, it can be a smart swap for other less healthy proteins like processed meats. Of course, if you have high cholesterol or heart conditions, it's best to chat with your doctor. But don't be too quick to write off eggs. In many cases, they're actually a heart-smart choice, especially when paired with vegetables, whole grains, or dairy products that boost your intake of calcium and vitamin D even more. Speaking of which, here's a simple tip that can help you make the most of your eggs. Pair them with a source of healthy fat like avocado, or a side of leafy greens like spinach, which is rich in magnesium. Magnesium works hand in hand with calcium and potassium to keep muscles relaxed and balanced. Add in a small glass of fortified milk or yogurt, and you've got a powerful, cramp-fighting meal right on your plate. And let's not forget hydration. Muscles can't function well if you're dehydrated, so always aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Even mild dehydration can make leg cramps more likely, especially in the evenings. Now, before we move on, here's a quick little challenge. The next time you're planning breakfast, try making it a muscle meal. Scramble one egg, toss in some spinach, serve it with a slice of whole grain toast and a glass of milk. It's simple, delicious, and your muscles will thank you. Okay, now that we've cracked the egg on our first food, let's ease into the second one. Something sweet, portable, and packed with minerals your muscles can't go without. Bananas. They're not just for athletes or smoothies. Bananas are one of the best sources of potassium, a mineral that plays a critical role in helping muscles contract and relax properly. Have you ever had that tight, knotted feeling in your calf after walking or gardening for a while? That might be your body's way of saying, hey, I need more potassium. Potassium helps balance fluids in your cells, keep nerve signals flowing smoothly, and support overall muscle function. Without enough of it, you're more likely to feel stiff, fatigued, and yes, crampy. One medium banana gives you about 12% of your daily potassium needs, and when you consider how easy they are to eat, it's no wonder so many people call bananas nature's sports drink. Plus, they're gentle on the stomach, full of natural sugars for quick energy, and contain a bit of magnesium too, which, as we mentioned, is a key player in relaxing your muscles. Have you ever been told to eat a banana when you're cramping up? There's a good reason for that. Bananas are one of the most accessible and effective foods you can include in your daily routine if you're over 60 and looking to support your muscles naturally. The magic behind it? Potassium. As we get older, our bodies don't hold on to potassium as well, whether it's from medications like diuretics, low appetite, or even just not drinking enough water. Potassium levels can drop, and that can set off muscle cramps like an alarm bell in your legs, especially at night. I've heard so many of you mention those 3 a.m. wake-up calls when your calf suddenly locks up and you're scrambling to stretch it out. Bananas can help with that. Just one medium banana has around 420 milligrams of potassium. That's roughly 12% of your daily needs, more than enough to make a difference when added to a balanced diet. But potassium doesn't work alone. Bananas also contain magnesium, another mineral that helps calm muscle activity. It's like the off switch to muscle twitching. Think of it like this: potassium helps your muscles contract properly, while magnesium helps them relax again. When you're low on either, your muscles get confused, they fire off at the wrong time, or they can't relax, which causes those painful spasms. A banana has both working together to keep your muscles functioning the way they should. And there's more. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which plays a big role in your nervous system. It helps your nerves send signals to your muscles correctly so your body knows when to move and when to rest. Without enough B6, those signals can get crossed, leading to cramps, tingling, or that pins and needles feeling in your legs. Now let's talk about how to actually include bananas in a way that works for you. A lot of people think, well, I'm not hungry in the morning, or bananas are too sugary for me. And it's true, bananas do contain natural sugars. But paired with the right foods, they can be part of a well-rounded, blood sugar-friendly snack. Try having half a banana with a spoonful of almond butter. The protein and healthy fat from the almond butter helps slow the sugar absorption, which keeps your energy steady. Or slice a banana into your morning oatmeal and top it with a few walnuts that adds potassium, magnesium, and healthy fats, all in one easy meal. Some folks even swear by eating a banana about an hour before bed. If your cramps tend to strike in the evening or while you're sleeping, this might help. Bananas are rich in complex crabs, which encourage the body to absorb more tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin and melatonin. So you're not only helping your muscles, but potentially improving your sleep too. But remember, hydration is key. Bananas provide potassium and magnesium, but without enough water, your muscles still won't work the way they're supposed to. So if you're enjoying a banana, pair it with a glass of water, or even better, coconut water, which adds a few more electrolytes into the mix. Some of you may be wondering, can I eat bananas every day? For most seniors, the answer is yes. One banana a day is perfectly fine and can be very beneficial. If you're managing diabetes, just be mindful of portion size and pair your banana with fiber-rich foods like chia seeds or whole grains to avoid blood sugar spikes. I know someone in her 70s who used to suffer from near-daily leg cramps. After she started having a banana with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a handful of nuts every afternoon, she told me the cramps disappeared within a few weeks. Sometimes it really is the simple things that make the biggest difference. Speaking of nuts, that brings us to the third powerful food on our list, and it might surprise you just how effective it can be in keeping those muscles calm and cramp-free. Nuts and seeds might seem like just a crunchy snack, but they're loaded with muscle-loving nutrients. Think magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats, all in one little handful. And that's exactly what your body needs to keep those muscles flexible and your nerves firing smoothly. Pumpkin seeds, almonds, pistachios, cashews, each one has its own unique benefits, but they all share something in common: magnesium. A lot of seniors don't get enough magnesium, and it shows up in muscle tightness, restlessness, or even nighttime cramps. 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds, about 2 tablespoons, gives you nearly 40% of your daily magnesium needs. Yeah, that's a lot from such a small serving. Why is magnesium so important? Well, without enough of it, muscles can't relax properly. It's kind of like trying to stop a moving car without brakes. Even if your potassium levels are fine, without magnesium, your muscles might still lock up or cramp. So if you've been eating bananas and staying hydrated but still getting cramps, magnesium might be the missing piece. And don't forget potassium. Pistachios and almonds both offer a decent amount of it. 1 ounce of pistachios gives you about 290 milligrams of potassium. That's almost as much as a banana. But what I really love about nuts and seeds is that they do more than just prevent cramps. They help reduce inflammation in your muscles, support circulation, and even protect your joints. Omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts and flax seeds can soothe sore muscles and improve blood flow, which means more oxygen getting to your legs, helping them move better and heal faster. And protein, absolutely, that's especially important as we age because our bodies naturally lose muscle over time. Including nuts or seeds in your meals helps your muscles stay strong and recover after movement. Whether it's walking, gardening, or even stretching before bed, your muscles need that protein support. Now you might be wondering, how many nuts or seeds should I eat? A small handful, about 1 ounce, is enough. That's roughly 20 almonds or 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. You can sprinkle them over yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or even toss them onto your salad or vegetables for a little crunch. I had a gentleman in his 60s tell me once that he started eating a small bowl of mixed nuts in the evening, and not only did his cramps go away, but he also noticed less stiffness in the morning. He said, "I feel like I'm moving better, and I didn't even change anything else." That's the kind of gentle but powerful shift that the right food can offer. Now, one important thing to keep in mind, if you're choosing nuts or seeds, go for unsalted and unflavored versions. Too much sodium can actually dehydrate you and make cramps worse. And if you have any allergies or digestion issues, talk with your doctor or dietitian about the best options for you. There are always alternatives like sunflower seeds or ground flax if whole nuts are hard to chew or digest. And don't forget, balance is everything. Eating 1 banana or a handful of almonds now and then won't magically erase cramps overnight, but building these habits into your daily routine can make a remarkable difference over time. That's what real wellness looks like. Small, consistent steps that add up to big changes in how you feel. You've now got 3 simple, natural tools to help you prevent those frustrating leg cramps. Eggs for muscle repair and nerve health, bananas for potassium and hydration, and nuts and seeds for that all-important magnesium and inflammation support. Together they create a powerhouse trio that can keep your muscles relaxed, your legs moving freely, and your nights peaceful. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick moment to connect all of this together in a way that's easy to remember and even easier to implement. Think of your muscles like a finely tuned orchestra. They need the right signals from your nerves, the right hydration, and the right nutrients to play their part in perfect harmony. When even one of those things is off, maybe you're low on potassium, short on magnesium, or just haven't had enough protein, those muscles can go from smooth and silent to tense and cramping, often when you least expect it. But when you nourish your body with eggs, to give your muscles the building blocks they need to stay strong and to support your nervous system, bananas, to flood your body with potassium and help your muscles contract and relax the way they're meant to, and nuts and seeds, to top off your magnesium levels and reduce inflammation. You're giving your body everything it needs to keep leg cramps at bay, naturally and gently. And here's the best part. You don't need to overhaul your diet. You don't need a complicated supplement plan or to spend hours in the kitchen. Just a few small shifts, maybe swapping your afternoon cookie for a banana and some nuts, or adding an egg to your breakfast a few times a week, can start turning things around. If you're someone who's struggled with leg cramps for years, I want to encourage you, relief is possible. You don't have to live with discomfort or wake up every night from that stabbing pain in your calves. Your body wants to feel better. It just needs the right support. And if you've made it this far in the video, you're already taking that first step. You're learning, you're taking action, and you're empowering yourself with knowledge that can help you feel stronger, steadier, and more confident in your body, no matter your age. Now, here's something important to remember while everything we've covered today is backed by solid research through the medical journals. Your personal health needs always come first. If you're managing a specific condition like kidney disease, diabetes, or taking medications that affect your minerals, please have a quick chat with your doctor before making changes. Your health team knows you best, and we want you to stay safe while putting this knowledge to work. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 3 foods are you already eating? And are you going to try adding one of the others into your daily routine? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one and love hearing your experiences. It helps others in our community too. And if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend or loved one who could use a little leg cramp relief too. Sometimes the smallest tips make the biggest difference. And don't forget to subscribe for simpler, science-backed tips on staying healthy, active, and energized as you age. I've got more videos coming up soon. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of those legs and take care of yourself. See you in the next video.